Hey guys, thank you for joining another episode of Mukbang with your host, Dongdigity. Today, I am going to try this ready-to-eat instant hot pot. It's crazy. This is a spicy flavor, and this is the tomato flavor. It shows instruction. It's actually really cool. Got it from HMart. It has a sausage in there. And I think this is the broth. And these are the vegetables. A bowl, noodle, chopstick, and this is so cool. It has a heat pack. So you put the heat pack under this, and then you pour water. You put everything in there. Let's do it. So exciting, so smart. Each costed about $10. I don't know. We'll see if it's worth it or not. Okay. Oh, this one has different noodle. Let's do this one first. Vacuum. Oh. Vienna sausage. Okay, I don't wanna put the juice in it. I'm just gonna pick it out like this. Yes. And this one also has Vienna sausage. It seems like I'm opening like that. I don't know if you guys seen that space meal. Very tomatoey. What's in this? Ooh. Whoa. Ah, that's cool. Ooh, this is more like a chili oil looking. Mmm. Oh, spicy. Alright. Alright. So this is the cool part. So we open this. I don't know if it just gets hot by itself. I assume you open it. You close the lid. And now all we have to do is wait. I don't know how long, it doesn't say it. I guess it's once the steam comes out of this hole, that's when we can eat. The instruction doesn't say anything about this. It just says place the bag. It's not hot at all. Okay, I think I found out how to activate this. So you're supposed to pour a water in a hot pad. So I did this whole thing wrong. So now you put the hot pack in there and you pour a water. And then you put these bad boys in there. And you close this up. I mean, it's good to read the instructions, right? But then it made it so confusing. Are you seeing this? It's working. Yo. I don't know if you guys can see it, but steam's like coming out of it. This gotta be one of the coolest thing. Now you can have hot pot anywhere. Okay, so this one's still steaming like crazy, but this one is pretty much done. Although hot, you could feel the heat coming out. So I'm gonna see what it looks like inside. I was kind of hoping that this will be like boiling or something, but oh, it's mixed well. So this is Szechuan style spicy, which is extremely spicy, like that chili pepper that make your mouth tingle kind of type. I wonder if the noodle's ready. Seems like everything's cooked well, so I can't complain with that. This is pretty nice. This is really, I think the fact of the whole, this process is more of what people probably get into more than actual content of the food. Or if anything, I think you could totally also spicy add the more ingredient into it if you want. No, I think even with rice, it'll be so good. But this sauce, yo. And this is seaweed, I believe. And this is a mountain yam. I'll try to open this one now. Wow. Still hot, wow. Same ingredient, mountain yam, seaweed, and Vienna sausage. Soup wise, I like this Szechuan one much better. This one is way too tomatoey, but let's see if these noodles are cooked enough. Yep, they're all cooked. Definitely spicy, right? But you could totally control the spiciness by how much you add. That's good spicy. So today we're having like 70 degrees, so Kimmy was going to go to the pool, so I followed her. We chilled by the pool today, and matter of fact, I'm actually still wearing my swimsuit right now. Summer's here, y'all. I like this a lot. That idea of it is so cool. You don't need no fire. You could bring this at camping and you could have a hot pot. Not only that, you could add stuff to here. To have more of your flavor in it. Was it worth $10? I don't think so, to be honest. It's probably the heat pack alone. And the container costed a lot. More than the ingredients. But there's nothing. Like Vienna sausage is what, like 50 cents or 30 cents? And these noodles really cheap. Technically, if you had a heat pack, you could cook your own ramen too, but I guess it's the idea, right? It's so cool. Oh, the soup is so hot. Ah! Oh, crap. When eating this, you need to be careful because that chili oil, when you're inhaling it in, will just go down. Oh man, and this is way too hot. Like as in temperature wise. I think this is pretty cool, but I don't think I will get it for myself to eat at in the house besides this. Because it's, if you think about it, it's quite expensive. Because I could totally just cook. If I'm at home, I don't think I will need to do that. But let's say you're going camping and you brought this gangster there. Dang, you'd be the coolest kid in town, yo. I know this spiciness is choking me, but I can't stop eating it. It's amazing how we constantly keep it hot. I don't know how they do it. It comes with everything like chapstick, wet wipe. Oh boy. Oh, thank God it wasn't for spicy, because if it then I would have gone blind. It's funny because if I think of hot pot, I wouldn't think of mountain yam as the first thing, as a vegetable. It's just so hot. I just don't know how they keep the temperature so hot. I can't eat it. So if you guys know any other cool thing like this that you want me to try, please comment below so I could check it out. So I bought this at H Mart. And I never seen this, so to me it's still new, but maybe for those who seen this around. I can't blame anyone else but myself. I knew how spicy the sauce was, but I still ate all of it, and so it's on me. The noodle is very, very slippery and tangy because of the oil. Or maybe I just suck at chopstick. Ah! The numbness is coming. The szechuan spiciness, whatever spiciness, always numbs your tongue. Oh, I could definitely jump in the pool again. Oh, oh, help me. Oh, oh man.